Create a safer warehouse environment for your employees with this state-of-the-art collision sensor. This sensor not only detects machinery like forklifts and lift pallets, but also pedestrians, which can dramatically reduce collisions and injuries. This high-tech sensor is programmed to detect motion within 25 feet in both directions, using state-of-the-art infrared motion detectors. It is also equipped with highly visible LED lights placed on both sides of the device. The lights will begin to flash when the sensor detects motion coming from both directions to warn both the forklift drivers and pedestrians of an anticipated collision. You can easily install the sensor onto metal racking using the integrated magnet mounts that are provided with the device. Also included is a tether for added support and D-cell alkaline batteries that can last up to 7 years. This portable, lightweight sensor is a great addition to your facility to protect your equipment from damage and, most importantly, protect your staff. For more information on the SYCLNA 160 collision sensor, please contact your sales representative or visit us online at www.tvh.com.